Then the next compound statement is biconditional statement. Biconditional statement or bi-implication statement. Now, bi-implication means we take two simple statements as usual. If two simple statements are connected by using the connective if and only if, and in short form we denote it as if and only if, IFF, we write like this, then the new statement formed is called biconditional. The new statement formed is called biconditional or bi-implication statement. If two simple statements are connected by using the connective if and only if, then the new compound statement formed is called biconditional statement or bi-implication statement. And this is true when both P implies Q and Q implies P are true. Now, using this sentence, we can write the truth table for biconditional statement so that we can know what is a biconditional statement.